You know, if he's good, you should have already learned.
Oo nga.
Ay, may sinasabi ka?
I said, if you want to learn faster, I can teach you. I like the motorcycle, remember?
Oo nga, no. Hindi, actually, kapag marunong na ako mag-bike, pwedeng siya naman magturo sa akin magmotor.
Ha? Sige. Kabalik ka na to.
Ayaw mo na yan.
Ayaw ko na.
Tanda ka na. Huy! Uy!
Ayoko dun
Kami.
Galit siya, oh.
Are you scared?
Prank lang yun. Prank? Oo, eh.
Just kidding.
Goodbye.
Ingat.
Uy, mag-sorry ka.
Hey, sorry.
Say sorry.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
Yan, dito tayo magbabanding. Gino, Peter! Taka na, dili!
Yo!
Yo!
Amazing.
What a nice place.
Grabe.
Yes,
Galing
of course.
talaga ni Joey sa mga
Great job,
diskarte.
Joey.
No, it's me.
Grabe naman, nakahanap lang ako ng magandang spot.
Yeah.
Over na kayo sa Papuro.
Kahit tayo.
Now na?
Yes.
So,
Hindi, antayin ko yung drinks.
drinks.
For you.
Mami? Thank you. Sarap to.
Ano, may beach na
Kakain.
kayo.
Guys, oh.
Yeah!
This for you. This is really for you. Actually, 2 for you. Yes, it's nice today. So nice. Very nice,
Very,
thank you.
friends.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Yes. Guys, you have 2, Enjoy. Wait. For us, just 1.
Thank
Joey.
you.
You know, we should all be careful here. There might be, insects, like those scary insects, like maybe bees, right? And, like wild animals, right? Like,
Oh, ang galing mo naman pala mang-prank no?
alam mo saan? Matanda.
Ay, hindi ba?
Hindi.
Eh. Oh, huwag kayo magagalit Kayo naman nagsimula niyan, di ba?
Oh. Sige, pagbibigyan ka namin ngayon. We're quits now, okay? Sige. Quits.
Is this us?
Ha?
Is this us?
Yeah.
Yuck. Here.
Galing mo
Us.
Cheers!
Cheers. 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 Cheers.
What is that for?
Well, syempre, para i-celebrate yung friendship natin. Sana laging ganito, no? Yung parang wala tayong problema.
Yeah. You all wish that. Tama naman. Hindi rin naman talaga natin kasi alam ano nang mangyayari. Lalo na dito kay Gino.
I wish we are in a better situation.
Oo, ba't naman parang ang lungkot nyo bigla? Alam nyo, dapat kahit anong pinagdadaanan natin, isipin pa rin natin na dapat maging masaya lang tayo. Parang ako ngayon, masaya ako kasi kasama ko yung mga pinakagwapo, mga pinakamasisipag, pinakamatatalino, tsaka mga cool na mga kaibigan ko. Pero alam niyo, grateful talaga ako sa inyo. Kasi kahit anong ikwento ko sa inyo, feeling ko safe talaga ako eh. Pagkakatiwalaan ko kayo. My boyfriends.
Me? Boyfriend?
Boyfriends.
Kasi you're all boys and you're all my friends. Boyfriends. What? Gets?
Friends.
Okay. Cheers
Cheers.
to Joey's boyfriends.